Hi guys, we've got a interesting one here. It's for a Ferrari 430. Now the customer's saying that the instrument panel, what happens to it is it's not displaying anything except for the airbag light. And I'm just going to show you that on here. So when you put the ignition on, okay, so you can see that the gauge is just flickered there and the airbag light's on. Now he goes out, it remains like this all the time, and there's a little bit of a backlight showing on this little display here, but you won't be able to notice that on the actual camera. So this is the actual fault. He goes, sometimes it does come on fully and then it just completely dies again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass this to the engineers to repair. We're going to show you some of the repair process as well, and then it's going to come back to me and I'm going to show you it hopefully working. So we've had the cluster back from the engineers now, and I'm going to show you the results. So it was good. So they managed to repair it. So I'm going to switch it on now. Okay, as you can see, everything's sprung to life. So everything's working now. They've had it on soak test for ages, and it all seems to be working properly on the bench. So what we're going to do now is going to send it over to the customer and obviously try it on the vehicle. It should be fine on the vehicle because we've soak tested it over here. So if you have any Ferrari clusters or any clusters that you need repairing or sending to us, by all means send it in to us and we'll have a look at it for you.